So the battle of two-ish
Three,
cities.
2, 1.
About to break out.
Activate.
Crabs versus others. And straight out of the bat, it's ganging up on. I can't keep up. I'm sorry, folks. A big throw from Grab Crab, the goose-based crab, hammering away at Afterthought and Mareep, being licked by that big tongue. A belt coming off the goose there.
Pit enabled.
Pit button is ready to go, but are any of these robots going to go for it? I'm not sure. All of them big pushers.
Pit descended.
Oh, it could be dangerous here. Cycloidal very close. Grab Crab also close. Big pile on over Nimi. The goose slowing. Only moving backwards. Afterthought pinning up the Grab Crab, but now free, and Afterthought upside down. And as soon as I say that, he's the right way out. The sheep very close to the ball pit there. Grab Crab really trying to get him in there. Cycloidal slowing down. One side, one drive side, gone. Means he's going to be driving in circles. The goose looking laconic. The sheep looking chaotic.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Afterthought pinning the crab, pinning the goose, but almost in the pit. Not quite. Oh. But they're still going. They haven't heard the end of the fight. They're still fighting. What's happening? Guys, it's over, please. No more fighting. That goose flying south for winter. And now, the sheep, the goose, the crab, and the box, all down the pit. It looks like the winner is Cycloidal Boydal.